Welcome back, everybody. Derrick Sue, your East Oakland advocate. Well, are you looking to cut some expenses? Well, I just did, and here is what I did. I have several subscriptions to newspapers, and so what I decided to do was cut some of those subscriptions because they're averaging right around $15-16 a month, and one is $20 a month. So I decided I don't need all of that because I'm not campaigning for mayor anymore, and some of these newspapers I was a part of a story on these newspapers, and so I subscribed to them so that I could have access to them. Now that I'm no longer running for mayor, I don't need these subscriptions anymore. So anyway, one of the first things that I did, I called East Bay Times, which is one of the subscriptions I have, and it's $17 a month, and I told them I want to cancel. Believe me, it is not an easy process on some of these subscriptions to get out of. And it took me about 10 minutes to get this done, so that's not too bad, and it's early morning, so it shouldn't be too busy anyway. And so anyway, they transferred me to the cancellation office. Cancellation office looks at my subscription and noticed that I went all the way back to 2020. And so they started lowering the rates. The first one that went from $16 down to $8. They cut it in half, literally. And I said, no, I'm still looking to cut my budget. Some of my expenses on my budget, I really need to just cancel the order. And then the fellow said, well, here, let me offer you a subscription rate of only $4 a month. I agreed to that. $4 a month I can afford very easily. $16 a month, not so much. And so negotiate with them. Any subscription that you have, that is negotiable. And if you call the customer service line, you can probably, and in most cases, they want to retain you. Or if the person doesn't negotiate, ask for the retention office. You want a retention specialist from that business. And that retention specialist can negotiate a price and adjust your price moving forward. So that's my tip for today. I'm going to be doing this for a few more newspaper companies that I have, and so I'm hoping to either cut it down to $4 or $0. That's my goal. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this helps you out. Cut some expenses off of your monthly budget and expenses. Thanks for joining me today. We'll be right back.